how to change voicemail on iPhone. So first is you have to go to your phone. So on the bottom part, it's commonly on the bottom part left side if it's in the default. And then you just have to tap on that and it will directly lead you to your contacts. Now after that, there are actually 5 options below. You will see favorites, recents, contacts, keypad, and then the voicemail here. And as you can see, I only have this set up. That means it's actually not available in my country because in our country don't usually use voicemail, so it's not available here. But if your country actually has voicemail, or commonly all of you use voicemail, then it will actually come out. So basically everything is self-explanatory already. You can actually press 1. If you tap on this, you can press 1 to actually answer the call, or press 2 to see any voicemails that you have actually received, and many more. So you can actually also change there your greetings, where you can customize it or just use default. And basically that is how you change your voicemail on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.